我讲了呀。
啊，
不是很好，那个确定的。
Can you write?
这是
Right?
对。
Okay. So you and I can work
我
together.
还没有
Is there
签呢。
anyone else that can speak and write?
是不是签？
有人可以说跟写英文吗？
他有没签？
我还没有签。
只有你。
Okay.
吴太太
对没签哈。
Mrs. Wu，
Which one?
是白头发的
Mrs. Wu。
哦，灰色的衣服。OK，Mrs. Wu 的 wedding green。
Okay.
这不是
So I'm going to ask
签的。
since it looks like they have a lot of application. I'm going to ask you to
什
pair
么
up.
事情都非常主动，
Okay. So
什么事情都非常主
So
动。
if
有人
you
一
would
样
interpret people to
主动相对很多。
So today we're here to do the paperwork
那时候
to enroll you into the fall prevention program.
还有我们是
今天呢，
是
我们是在这里要
看得起我。
我们有需要做预防跌倒的这一个他们有一个课程，当填申请表。
So there is basic information. She doesn't want to exercise. Does this lady not want to exercise?
你是不想运动是不是？他刚刚说什么？
他们每个人都要运动，要运动是什么意思？
就是说他 is the program going to involve exercising? She's asking does everybody exercise? Yes.
It's a
他不要是不是？
你要不要在这当中？他们听不到，他们年纪大了耳朵听不到。
那我要讲很大声是不是？这样可不可以听得到？
你要不要麦克风？要我可以跟你说。
Oh, okay.
我如果讲大声一点，你们应该听得到。They want me to be here because they cannot hear.
Yeah.
They want you to get closer. So
Yeah, get close.
I'm just going to.
Yeah.
See here.
See that is better.
Yeah. Okay. So,
请那魏太太坐近，坐过来一点。魏太
魏
太。
太太，你要不要进来一点点？大家在一起比较容易。
excuse my bad. Okay, and this lady here, she's not here. Okay. So,
你可以听得到我说话吗？可以啊。OK，
So, the fall prevention program will bring a student nurse into your house once a week for 1 hour to do the exercise with you.
OK， 如果你们加入这个课程的话呢，他们会有一个就是一个学生，但是他们是有上过护士课程，有被体验过的，到你家里来帮你做复健一些运动，大概1个礼拜1个小时。
So it's a free program because we're a non-profit.
这是免费的啊，那因为他们是这个非营利机构，这是一个纯粹服务用的。
We will need the phone number of somebody who speaks English to help make the appointment.
OK， 他需要在表上呢填一个会讲英文的人的电话号码，才能够帮你们每个礼拜就预约看什么时候到你家来，这样可以吗？
So the first thing we need to do if they want to be in the program is we will fill out the paperwork today. And then the next thing is this afternoon, the fitness trainer will be here to do the physical assessment. And she creates an exercise routine for each person.
Right this afternoon?
Today.
OK， 如果你们就是原则上大概就是这样。How long is the program going to last? 12 weeks. 总共是1个礼拜1次1个小时，然后总共12个礼拜。如果你们听到现在为止还觉得想要参加这个课程的话呢，就是要开始填这个表。填了表之后呢，他等一下会有一个 fitness trainer， 就是会来帮你这个看看你的状况是怎么样子，大概需要做什么样子的复健运动的人来帮你来看你的，等一下就会来了。
Okay. And so
She has a question. I think the training only here for everybody, not for every home. For everybody's home.
no, it's individual. So it's
对每个人不一样，要每个人在。
So it's different because it's focused exactly on what each person needs, and you will get much stronger working individually.
他要每个人。
每一个人要做的
你知道我们家
不太一样。
因为我们房子非常小。
she's concerned that
Very
her house
small.
is very small. Her house is very
Our
small.
apartment is very small. If you want to take exercise, it's
But
very
it's,
difficult.
it's resistance training, so there's no running, no walking. It's, you are seated, it's using a resistance band to build strength. It's strength training.
他是
not
说
aerobic.
会在很多地方，原则上是坐着，那可能是拉东西来测试你的这个阻力测试这样子而已，所以应该可以。
It's strength training, not aerobic.
对呀，就是
所以像12个礼拜，每个礼拜1个钟头。
一个钟。
And the people that will come to your house are student nurses from Union Tech College. They all have background checks and photo ID badge, so you know that they are from the school.
他们会来家里的人呢，他们都是UNITEC 这个护理学校的护士学生，然后他们都有经过这个背景调查，所以也就是说，你们可以安心的接受他到家里来。
时间多久？
每一个礼拜1个小时，总共12个礼拜。
And the exercise is all images, so it's simple to follow, even if you can't
OK。
speak English.
然后他教你的运动呢，就是他做什么你就跟他做什么，所以即使你不会讲英文或听不懂英文也没有关系，你就照着那个人教你做什么就做什么。
So if they want to be part of the program, it's fine, go through the paperwork today. If they don't, we understand, that's fine too. So because it's an investment to get them enrolled. So if they want to do it, then we do the paperwork today.
好，如果你们想要做，就我们都可以填表。如果你们觉得不适合你们，或者是现阶段你不需要，也没有关系，他不是强迫的，但是对不想参加这个12个礼拜这个课程的话，就不需要这个填表，就是要去申请参加这个12个礼拜的课程。好，那谁要参加？你要参加？你要参加？OK， 你要这样？你觉得不需要？你要不要参加？
It's very close. 有的有 arthritis， 有的有 osteoporosis.
Every day.
And a lot of
这是为什么他要先帮你